Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop loss on Schwab app here. So first of all, open this app here and log in. Enter your login ID and click on continue. Now here it will give you the option of select your stocks, which looks like this. You can just go and click on it and enter the ticket symbol of your stock you wish to set a stop loss for the search bar and select it from the result. When prompted to select an order type, choose either stop or stop limit in the stop order. This will trigger a market order once your stop price is reached. In the stop limit order, this will trigger a limit order at your specific limit price once your stop price is reached. And the stop price at which you want to order to be activated, this is the price that when reached will trigger your stop loss. Review the details in submit order, and that's pretty much it. That's how to set stop loss on Charles Schwab. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.